Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the drain hose on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we will need to remove the dishwasher from your cabinets. So the first thing we'll need to do is to turn off the power. If your dishwasher has a cord on it, you simply need to unplug it. If not, you'll need to locate your electrical panel and turn off the appropriate breaker or remove the appropriate fuse. Now as well, we'll need to disconnect our inlet water supply, so be sure to turn that off first. And as well, we'll need to disconnect that electrical connection from the junction box underneath the dishwasher. This will require removing the access panel at the bottom so that you can get at those components. You'll also need to disconnect the drain hose from underneath your sink and remove the screws that secure the dishwasher to the bottom of your countertop. Once we've done all that, we'll pull the dishwasher out and we can go ahead with the repair. Now, with the dishwasher pulled safely out of the cabinets, we've gently laid it on its back. We'll next just need to remove the spring type clamp that secures the drain hose to the check valve. Pull that hose off. We'll discard the old one. Now we will need to reuse that clamp. So we'll hang on to that. We'll check the check valve to make sure that that's nice and secure in that pump. And we'll position the new drain hose onto that check valve and determine whether you're going to route that out through the right-hand side or the left-hand side. And just orient the drain hose in the proper position. Then we'll take that clamp, slide it back up onto the end of the hose, and just set that back about 1/4 of an inch from the end of the rubber coupling. Now we're ready to stand the dishwasher back up. We'll route that hose through the opening in the cabinet. And the end has 2 different dimensions on it. There's a 1-inch dimension, and then further inside is a 5/8 dimension. If your connector under the sink is only 5/8, you can cut that hose off by that rib. If not, make sure that you leave it the full size, and then you can connect it to the sink securely. Now that we've got our drain hose routed properly into underneath the sink, we're ready to push the dishwasher back into the cabinets. Now with the dishwasher back into the cabinets, we can secure it to the bottom of our countertop, reconnect our inlet water supply and turn that on to make sure we have no leaks. We'll reconnect the electrical connection to the junction box, make sure that the drain hose is firmly attached underneath your sink. We'll put the access panel back in place, reconnect the power, and your repair is complete.